Also in medical technology, materials play an important role. The following applies: without materials there's no functional equipment for the medical industry. But how exactly is such a material produced? We have taken a look at the production at EGOS and show you the process from the idea to the completion. What are you producing specifically for the medical technology industry?
Wir als Motion Plastics Spezialisten der Firma EGOS in Köln befassen uns mit der Herstellung.
As motion plastics specialists, we at EGOS in Cologne are manufacturing plastic machine components that help customers to reduce their costs and extend the life of their products by using additives, reinforcing agents, solid lubricants and the like. This fits perfectly with standard medical technology devices, since no additional lubricants could contaminate products or provide falsified test results. There's also no maintenance required after a certain time, and possible contamination due to leaking lubricants and the like is avoided. One example of this also includes enhanced materials from plain bearings, such as the Iglador AB material, which helps to effectively inhibit or reduce the microbial load on access bearing points for ventilation systems or stretchers, for instance. It also applies to cable type CF544 Special from the Chainflex family that features a cable sheath and significantly reduces the contamination risk with cables that are touched by hand.
CF544 Special, die ebenfalls eine Mantelausrüstung aufweist, die bei händisch berührten Leitungen das Keimrisiko erheblich reduziert.
How does the first steps in development of materials look like?
Die ersten Schritte können aus zwei Richtungen kommen. Entweder
the first steps come from two directions. Either we come up with an idea, try to present it on the market, and check for response. Or most of our product designs come directly from our customers. They can choose from more than 40 EGOS plain bearing materials, check them via internet systems in terms of life expectancy and wear, and choose the best suited material, also based on other criteria such as friction and resistance to chemicals and temperature. If that's not successful, we offer the opportunity to design a custom material for this application.
Erfolgreich sein, bieten wir die Möglichkeit, ein Material gezielt für diese Anwendung zu entwickeln.
On what is paid particular attention in the test lab?
Wir testen auf über 2000 Quadratmeter.
On more than 2,000 square meters, we test with internormed standard test centers where we are able to directly compare and document various materials, and if the available solutions are not sufficient, based on specific customer requirements. The goal is to achieve an accurate description for an application packet. These are also incorporated in our online tools and are available to our customers.
How do the next steps to production look like?
After
choosing the right material or component, we create drawings. They are delivered to the tool shop, which produces an injection mold. It's loaded to the machines for trial purposes and test run. We call this sampling. Quality assurance analyzes the parts. This is an empirical process that may take several trials. You subsequently have a molded component that is presented to the customer and approved by him.
Formteil, das dem Kunden vorgestellt und abgenommen wird.
What differentiates your plastics from conventional solutions?
Die Motion Plastics von EGOS befassen sich.
The motion plastics by EGOS always try to increase the life cycle. This means we're not only using simple base materials or base polymers, but we further refine and compound them with various types of reinforcements adapted to the purpose and solid lubricants. These help the product to be maintenance-free for life, meaning the bearing receives a regenerative lubrication, eliminating the need for additional external lubrication.
Erhält eine regenerierende Schmierung, ohne von außen zusätzliche Schmierung zu benötigen.